In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete comments in Google Sheets document. If you work with teammates in a shared spreadsheet, comments are a great way to discuss changes, but once a thread is finished, it's helpful to clear it so your sheet stays clean and easy to read. I'll walk you through how to remove a comment from a cell so it no longer appears on the sheet. Start by opening your spreadsheet in Google Sheets. Make sure you're signed in and that you have permission to comment or edit the file, because you'll need that access to remove comments. In the sheet, look for any cell with a small orange triangle in the top right corner. That little marker is Google Sheets' way of telling you a comment is attached to that cell. Click the cell with the orange corner to bring up the comment. Depending on your layout, the comment card may appear right next to the cell or in a side panel. You should see the text of the comment and a few controls on the comment card. One of those controls is a checkmark icon, often labeled Resolve. Clicking this checkmark is the quickest way to make the comment disappear from the sheet. Go ahead and click the checkmark icon. When you do, Google Sheets resolves the comment thread. Practically speaking, that means the orange marker is removed from the cell and the comment no longer shows up on the sheet, which keeps your workspace tidy. This is the standard approach teams use when a question is answered or an issue is closed. A quick note for clarity. Resolving a comment removes it from view on the sheet while keeping a record in the file's comment history. That's helpful if you need to revisit past discussions later. If you don't see the checkmark, you may not have the right permissions on the file, so you can ask the file owner for edit access. And if you resolve something by mistake, you can immediately use undo or open the overall comments view to revisit recent threads. After you've resolved the comment, look back at the cell. You'll notice there's no longer an orange triangle in the corner. That visual cue confirms the comment has been cleared from the sheet. If a cell had multiple comments in a thread, repeat the same action on any remaining open items until the marker is gone. That's it. Open your spreadsheet, click the cell with the orange marker to view its comment, and use the checkmark to resolve it. Your sheet stays cleaner, and your team can focus on what's next.